Kamsi Space. I hope you're good because me and Zara were super good. Today is another interesting video.
Today's video, we are going to make super sponge cake. This sponge cake is very easy and fun to make.
Yeah, my viewers, like Zara said, we're going to be making super sponge cake. If this is your first time in our channel, you are highly welcome and thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Please, if you have not subscribed,
Please subscribe, like and share. Share to your family, share to your friends.
and please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video on Kamsi Space. So now, let's get started.
So the ingredients we are going to use are
200 grams of sugar, 6 large eggs, 100 grams of melted butter, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and vanilla extract.
first we are going to wash your hands. It's very important to wash your hands before you cook anything in the kitchen. Now we are done washing our hands. Now we can cook anything in the kitchen.
Yes. So the first thing you're going to do is to grease the baking pan by rubbing it with butter and with flour.
And it's very easy to do. Have you done it before, Kamsi?
I've done it so many times.
Okay, Kamsi. Let's do it again.
That's what we're doing now.
Okay.
Now, you keep this aside. I want to dust off the flour from the table. So now, I'm going to be mixing the dry ingredients. Sieve the flour before you use it. This one have already been sieved twice. So I'm going to add in the baking soda and the baking powder, and we mix it very well.
Kamsi, can I try?
Of course, try.
Thank you.
So now that it's combined, set it aside. So now we're going to separate the egg whites and yolks in a bowl. crumble. Continue this until now finish breaking all the eggs. Now I am done separating the egg whites and the yolk. So what I'm going to do is to beat the whites until it becomes white and fluffy. Can you see? It is now fluffy. Now I'm going to be adding in the sugar little by little. Beat it until the sugar is well dissolved in the egg. Now add the yolk and beat it again for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add in the dry ingredients. So now add the melted butter.
Add the vanilla extract.
Yes, the vanilla extract. Then sticking very well. I am now done mixing the butter. So I'm going to remove this from the mixer.
You use a spoon.
So now I'm going to transfer the sponge cake butter into the baking pan.
This sponge cake is one of my favorite cake.
I'm done transferring the cake butter into the baking pan. So now I'm going to bake this in the oven for 30 minutes.
Please make sure you preheat the oven for 180 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, my viewers, I want to tell you how to know when the sponge cake is ready. You can lightly press your finger on top of the sponge cake, and if you bounce it back, then you know that the sponge cake is ready. Or you can insert a toothpick in the center of the sponge cake, and if it comes out clean, then you know that the sponge cake is ready.
So keep watching. Share your family, share your friends. Cake is ready. You should allow it to cool. Hello, my viewers. The sponge cake is ready. Hope you got step by step on how to make sponge cake.
Yeah, my viewers, did you see how easy it was to make this sponge cake? You can make it right in your mommy's kitchen. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share.
Share to your family, share to your friends.
Remember to leave the bell icon on so you'll be notified whenever Kamsi Space send a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. See you in our next video.
Bye.